What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, or to the channel. Today we're working on the 2020. We're shortening the harness about a good 6 inches, and I'm almost done, guys. I've been working on this for probably like a whole day and a half already. I'm down to the last 2 hours. These two. We actually cut, solder, and shrink wrap the whole process, guys. And obviously we're gonna finish it off with some electrical tape, some loom wire loom as well. Trying to make it look as stock as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the process of how I did it, and everything seems to be working perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and do these last two on camera, guys, and that's pretty much what I did with the whole harness. Alright, guys, so we are actually on the very last wire, and we've been shortening from here all through here. We didn't want to have all the heat shrinks all in one spot, make a big ball, so we actually separated them throughout the harness. Some here, some here, some here, all the way through. So if we ever need to repair, we already know that from here to here is where we repair, pretty much put together the harness. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna try to see if I can do it with one hand. If not, I'm gonna have to put y'all down. But I usually put these together like this. So we got the harness sitting, guys, where it should be. So what's up, guys? Been a long day, long day, but we're out here in San Antonio, guys, and I came out here for some personal reasons, and we're out here. It's Saturday. Today's Saturday. I picked up the LEDs on Thursday back in Houston. So I don't got nothing to do, guys, so I'm gonna put them on. And my cousin, he's into imports and shit. He has a little nice Civic bags. You'll probably see it later on tonight. I'm not sure. He's talking about rolling out. My cousin's talking about rolling out to a meet. Well, really, I'm trying to go out to a meet, do something before I head back to Houston. See how the truck scene's out here, how the car scene's out here. I've been riding around for a little bit now, and there's really no trucks out here, guys, like at all, like zero and like nada. So we're gonna try to see if we can find some trucks or meat or something. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on them LEDs on the fog lights so the top and bottom can be matching. So let's do that. So I got the driver's side put on, guys, already, man. I really need to get that the lens, the actual fog itself. But it makes a big difference, you know, from yellow to the bright blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on, guys. It's simple, it's just changing the light bulb. I'll show y'all once I'm done, so I can check out the whole front end with LEDs. Sauce. What's up? What's up? What y'all think? I think it looks real good. I think it looks good. I'm still missing 2 more bulbs, guys. Oh, actually 4. I'm missing this one. It's still amber, and I'm missing this one. On both sides, but hey, slowly but surely, it's getting there. It's getting there. As you can see, guys, I'm over here in San Antonio. The atmosphere over here, I don't even know if that's how you say it. It's a little bit different. It's hot. Over here is like 90-something degrees, 96, 97 degrees today. And the sun barely coming down. It's starting to feel nice and cool. But we're gonna go see what's up, guys, and we're gonna see if we can get into a little truck meet or car meet or something before we head back to Houston tomorrow. the scene out here, guys, it ain't nothing like Houston. Over here, they don't give a fuck. Oy, compadre, watchale, cuz. Watchale. Almost in my shit. Ain't nothing like Houston, but we're gonna go to a couple more spots, see what's up. Stop that. So guys, hopefully y'all enjoyed that couple clips of the San Antonio meet. We're back in Houston already. We made it nice and safe. The truck was perfect, really. You know, we went out there, we had some fun. You know, took care of some business I had to do out there, and the truck rode 100 the whole time. You know, no issues, no problems. But this is gonna be the end of this video, guys, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys. I don't know what's next. I know I'm gonna start a video right after this. We're gonna be working on the 2020, so if you want to see that, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button if you find this interesting. Don't forget, guys, my boy up there, God is good, and keep pushing. Catch you on the next one.